Hi, my name is Jacob. I'm with VBA Decoded. I'm going to show you real quick how to encrypt a Microsoft Access database. It's very simple. So first off, biggest thing is you need to make sure that nobody else is in your database. You can be the only one because what we're going to do is open exclusive on this database. So go ahead and open Microsoft Access. Don't double click on a file. You just want the blank page here because we're going to go to this open tab. And I like to do browse or this PC or whatever. So you got to find your file. I'm using this sample DB right here. And then the key is this little triangle, open exclusive. Now that we're here, we're just going to go to File, Info, and then Encrypt with Password. Very simple. Bam, encrypted. So now the next time I try to open this is this database right here, I have to enter a password. Little note here, so a lot of people might do this to password protect like a front end file. If you're using split databases, which I hope you are, I don't typically like to password protect my front ends because most of my users don't need to log in since they're already logged into their computer, but that's just how my system works. Maybe you have open computers and you want passwords and stuff, but then you don't have user-based passwords. This is just one password for the whole database. You can't change that. What I usually do is I password protect my back ends. I encrypt my back end files. And then when you connect to those in your front end files, you enter your password one time on that connection. And then whenever you open that front end file that's connected, then you don't have to enter that password. It's already stored in the database. But be careful because that front end file that is connected to your encrypted database now has your password stored in plain text. Yeah, it's not great. I'm probably going to write an article of how you can find these passwords just so you know how easy this is to actually access and get your encryption password from a linked database. It's a little unsettling. So all that to say, this is not a foolproof security method, but it is a way to kind of lock down your backend and just to at least prevent very basic users from editing tables and columns and data within your backend. So anyway, that's how you do this, and there's a little bit more information of why and some caveats. Anyway, check us out at vbadecoded.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.